For successful document signing, it's essential to adequately prepare your document. During the preparation phase, you may require the following information: signature, initial, text, or date. To begin, upload your document and then proceed to add the signer or signers. Next, specify a due date for when you wish this document to be completed. Afterward, incorporate your desired fields, and in case of multiple signers, ensure that each field is allocated to the appropriate signer. Once satisfied, click Apply, review the document, and then send it. Until all signers complete the document, you'll find it listed under Waiting for Approval.